Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's stereo speakers on Motorola Moto G Pure. And to do this we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. So the first one is right here, and that's a phone call speaker. Another one we can find on the bottom right here, and that's basically all of the speakers on this device. And to determine if they are stereo, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So it's pretty clear that the sound was coming only from a bottom speaker, and that confirms it. This device doesn't have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.